Hello and welcome to our in-depth guide on boosting kidney health naturally with the power of food. Our kidneys are essential organs that play a critical role in filtering waste, balancing fluids, and maintaining overall health. It's crucial to support their function through a healthy diet. Today, we will explore 10 amazing foods that can naturally enhance kidney health. Stick around to learn how these foods can benefit your kidneys and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily meals. Let's get started. Number 1. Cranberries. First on our list are cranberries, small but mighty berries renowned for their ability to support urinary tract health. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants and beneficial compounds that help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can affect the kidneys if left untreated. Antioxidants. Cranberries contain high levels of antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Preventing UTIs. These berries prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can spread to the kidneys. To include cranberries in your diet, you can enjoy them fresh, dried, or as unsweetened juice. Add dried cranberries to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for a nutritious boost. Number 2. Blueberries. Next, we have blueberries, another antioxidant-rich fruit that offers numerous benefits for kidney health. Blueberries are low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making them kidney-friendly and suitable for those with kidney disease. Antioxidant power. Blueberries are high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, all of which support overall health and reduce inflammation. Blood pressure regulation. These berries help regulate blood pressure, a crucial factor in maintaining kidney health. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, leading to kidney disease. Blueberries can be enjoyed fresh or frozen and are perfect for smoothies, cereals, or as a simple, healthy snack. Number 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are not only vibrant and delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that support kidney health. They are low in potassium and rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as folic acid and fiber. Low potassium. Since they are low in potassium, red bell peppers are suitable for individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium intake. Nutrient-dense. The vitamins and antioxidants in red bell peppers help reduce inflammation and support immune function, which is essential for protecting the kidneys. You can incorporate red bell peppers into your diet by adding them to salads, stir-fries, or simply enjoying them as crunchy, raw snacks. Number 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is low in potassium and packed with vitamins and minerals that promote kidney health. It is high in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, making it a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Detoxifying compounds. Cauliflower contains compounds that help the liver neutralize toxic substances, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Anti-inflammatory. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the risk of inflammation-related kidney damage. Cauliflower can be enjoyed steamed, roasted, or mashed as a substitute for higher potassium vegetables like potatoes. It's also great in soups and casseroles. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is well known for its numerous health benefits, including its positive effects on kidney health. It is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, which can help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Allicin. The active compound in garlic, allicin, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, helping to protect the kidneys from infections and inflammation. Blood pressure regulation. Garlic can help lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on the kidneys and preventing further damage. To reap the benefits of garlic, you can use it fresh, powdered, or as an extract. Incorporate it into your cooking to enhance the flavor of your dishes while supporting your kidney health. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can support kidney health due to its anti-inflammatory properties and beneficial effects on cardiovascular health. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, particularly oleic acid. Anti-inflammatory. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. Heart health. By promoting heart health and improving blood flow, olive oil helps ensure that the kidneys receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. Use olive oil as a dressing for salads, as a cooking oil, or simply drizzle it over vegetables to enhance their flavor and nutritional profile. Number 7. Fish. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent for kidney health. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have numerous benefits for the kidneys and overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats reduce inflammation and may help lower blood pressure, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Protein source. Fish is a high-quality protein source that is easier on the kidneys compared to other protein sources like red meat. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. You can grill, bake, or steam fish to retain its nutritional benefits. Number 8. Apples. Apples are not only delicious but also packed with fiber and anti-inflammatory properties that can support kidney health. They are a great snack option for those looking to protect their kidneys. High fiber. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol and glucose levels, reducing the workload on the kidneys. Anti-inflammatory. The antioxidants in apples help reduce inflammation, which can protect the kidneys from damage. Enjoy apples raw, in salads, or as part of a kidney-friendly dessert. Number 9. Onions. Onions are a flavorful addition to many dishes and offer several benefits for kidney health. They are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, making them a great choice for those with kidney issues. Quercetin. Onions contain quercetin, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage. Detoxifying. Onions help detoxify the body by aiding in the elimination of toxins, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Use onions in soups, salads, and stir-fries to add flavor and nutritional benefits. Number 10. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green that offers numerous benefits for kidney health. It is low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and fiber. Anti-inflammatory. The antioxidants in kale help reduce inflammation, which can protect the kidneys from damage. Nutrient-rich. Kale provides essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Incorporate kale into your diet by adding it to smoothies, salads, or sautéing it as a side dish. Now that we've covered the 10 foods that can boost kidney health, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily meals. A balanced diet that includes a variety of these foods can help support your kidneys and overall health. Here are a few meal ideas. Breakfast. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh blueberries and a handful of dried cranberries. Lunch. Enjoy a salad made with mixed greens, red bell peppers, cauliflower florets, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice dressing. Dinner. Opt for grilled salmon with a side of steamed cauliflower and roasted red bell peppers. Snacks. Keep dried cranberries and fresh blueberries on hand for a quick and healthy snack. In addition to these foods, staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Water helps the kidneys remove waste from the blood and maintain the body's fluid balance. Daily intake. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, but this can vary depending on your individual needs and health conditions. Herbal teas. Herbal teas, such as cranberry or dandelion tea, can also support kidney health. Avoid sugary drinks and limit your intake of caffeinated beverages. While incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly benefit your kidney health, it's also important to monitor your overall health and make lifestyle changes as needed. Regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor your kidney function, especially if you have risk factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of kidney disease. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly, managing stress, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. In conclusion, taking care of your kidneys is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. By incorporating these 10 foods into your diet, you can naturally support your kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney-related issues. Remember to stay hydrated, maintain a balanced diet, and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive guide on boosting kidney health naturally. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Take proactive steps today to support your kidneys and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life.